What's going on, folks? Nev from Nev's Tac Bets. We got a little bit of sun, so we got a little bit of solar. Let's see what we got going on over here. Now, first off, we want to check in with our Lich. Hey, Mr. Lich, he's all me gusta. He's really angry because I got him caught in here. He doesn't know what he's going to do about that. We got Skelly Beans over here. Hey, Skelly Beans, we got a little baby in there he's dealing with. Yeah, he's waiting for his crop to dry out so he can smoke it. I don't know about that. I think it's really bad for your teeth and whatnot, but hey, whatever. We got all of our fun stuff, and oh, Skelly Beans, you haven't been taking your medication, have you? Says you're supposed to keep it in a cool, dry place. I don't know what you're doing with that, Skelly Beans. And then up here we got the solar. Over here you can see we are at 13.5 volts, and that means we're doing okay. Underneath here we got the inverters. Oh, there's the rabbit. There's the funny rabbit. Let's chase the rabbit. Oh no, he's gone forever. Yeah, but legit, we got bunnies that bounce all over around here. There he is. He's semi-domesticated. We have so many nice white women out here that just love animals that the animals just, they don't care anymore. Sorry, not to throw the white woman thing in there anywhere in a particular way, but online it's really funny how you get black people with channels that are just like, white women will do the craziest things. And he'll show a video of a white woman taming a deer or something like that. Yeah, we're getting nice hashes out here, 3,000 hashes per second. We're mining VerusCoin. I can only do it on about one system right now, though. Other days I'll be able to do it on multiple. I can only do it because it all comes up to how much sun that I have. If the sun is out full tilt, I can get all this stuff running without any problem. But no sun today, no sun, no fun. Anyways, this is it for me now from Nev's Tac Bets. Have a good one, folks.